What is up, developers? It is great to see you again here on the channel. So in this particular tutorial, I have decided that for the crash course, we're going to have it as a project based course, because I think that the easiest way and the fastest way to learn a language is by building something out of it. So I decided that we'll be building out the full stack PHP application, whereby you will be able to add records to the database. That is, create, you'll be able to read data from the database, that is read, and you will be able to update or edit this data, that is, and you will be able to delete this record, which makes up the PHP CRUD: create, read, update, and delete, which is essential, and it actually just comprises of what most web apps usually are. Okay, so most web apps are actually just something of the sort. So what we have today is a loan application, whereby all the functionality, this should have been on an admin dashboard, but for tutorial purposes they will all be at the particular landing page. So what you can do, you can apply for a new loan. So let's fill this up. So for the name, let's say John Doe, and of course we have validation set up for this, so you can't spam or input invalid data and expect it to be stored in the database. Just to type in John and the amount and try to submit this. And of course it will be performing some validation, and as you can see, please enter a positive integer value. So I'm going to do 15,000 and then just hit submit. So once that this record is inserted to the database without any error, you will be redirected to the index page, where of course you see the last record with an ID of 8, John Doe, has been added to our database. And from this point I can be able to view this record. Okay, I can also be able to edit this. So let me just edit this record. So I want to change maybe his name from John Doe to new Mag. And as you can see, the record was successfully updated, and I can as well decide to delete this record, where I will get a warning if I'm really sure I want to do this, and I'm just going to click on yes, and as you can see, that record is gone. So that's it for our application. This is what we'll be building out over a series of 4 videos at most. So first of all, for you to get started and be able to follow up with this tutorial, you need XAMPP, which stands for a cross-platform Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. And what basically this is, it actually sets up everything you need to start running PHP and use MySQL as your database on a local server. So just go ahead, install this. I will leave a link down in the description with installation details and setup from another content creator. Okay, so once you have XAMPP installed and you have it running on your local machine, what you need is your text editor. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Sublime Text. I would recommend it, but I also love Visual Studio Code. So if you have that, well and good, or basically whatever text editor you have will work just fine. Okay guys, so that was it for this particular first video. If you guys like this, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.